everyone. So today I'm sharing with you my favorite keto green smoothie recipe, something I make quite often. This recipe is a great way to get your greens in, heart-healthy fats and proteins, everything your body needs. That's why this refreshing snack makes it the ultimate nutritional powerhouse for more energy, focus and glow. It's filling enough for breakfast or great to take it to go in the car or to work. And this is the only green smoothie you're ever gonna eat. It's pretty easy to make it. All you have to do is to combine everything together in a blender and blend until everything is smooth. First, let's add 1 handful of spinach, 2 cups of cashew milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 2 tablespoons of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of Macca root powder, about half a cup of ice cubes, and 1 Hass Avocado. Let's turn on the blender and blend until everything is smooth and you no longer see small bits of spinach. Pour it into a cup and you're ready to enjoy this delicious smoothie. I really hope you enjoyed my video on how to make keto green smoothie recipe. I can't wait for you to give it a try and report back on what you think about this recipe. And if you're looking for more delicious keto recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!